well. I think it's recording now. I'll never know. I'll never know until we get home and we'll check the video. Anyway, let's get that infraction all set up. We've got just the difference in sheer size of the infraction compared to the other one that you usually watch me drive around. So we're gonna do what we always do, is turn on the remote first. Light is on, and then we will turn on the vehicle. It makes some nice sounds there. Look how easy it is to put the body on. Usually you have to like match up the holes and all that stuff. You just flop it on. With this, you just flop it on. No fiddleage at all. You have these cool clips that are humongous. I don't think I've ever seen clips this large before. And my hands are cold, which doesn't help. I would hate to be even in a place where it's colder than it is here. This is just me complaining for no reason, because compared to other places, this is not really cold. But for me, it's cold. Get up. There it is. Okay. Last clip, then we can rip this thing around. Will I be able to put the last clip in though? That's going to be the question of the year today. Oh, okay, so just to show you the sheer size difference here, we're going to take the UDRC and stick it on this baby. And as you can see there, that is amazing. I mean, the size difference is, I've never owned anything this big. It is amazing. So anyway, I have to be careful not to wreck the other car with this one. And I'm not sure what just happened, but I'm giving it throttle. And this is very unexpected. Oh, this is extremely unexpected. So look at that. Turning is fine, but there's no power going. Did I mess with something? Because this is not what was going on yesterday. I was getting lots of power from the engine. So what is going on there? Yay! So after I spent all this time messing, this is not happening. This is not happening. Maybe I should have checked the engines before putting the canopy on. Oh, I know what happened. I was testing things last night. I know what happened. Stupid me. This is all my fault because I was testing the Spectrum battery, the LiPo Spectrum battery. And so I guess there's a failsafe in here. Let's lift it. Okay, there we go. There we go. So people don't make that mistake. There is a little thingy in here, and if it's not set to nickel metal hydride battery, it's intelligent enough to know not to destroy the thing. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe there's a failsafe, as I just said before, that will stop you from doing something stupid like what I was about to do, in case the wrong battery setup was in place. Could have destroyed something. But luckily it did not happen, and we are happy about that because I just want this thing to rip. Because they say that this has an amazing capability, and so I want to be able to bring the best out of it. It's not a Toyari, but it's a close second.